5 movies you must watch to make money. If you're looking for movies that can provide valuable insights and inspiration for making money, here are 5 must-watch films that offer valuable lessons on entrepreneurship, finance, and wealth building. Number 1. The Pursuit of Happiness, 2006. This biographical drama stars Will Smith as Chris Gardner, a struggling salesman who faces numerous hardships while trying to provide a better life for his son. The movie highlights the importance of perseverance, determination, and a strong work ethic in achieving financial success. Number 2. Wall Street, 1987. Directed by Oliver Stone, this classic drama stars Michael Douglas as Gordon Gekko, a ruthless and wealthy stock trader who embodies the "greed is good" mantra. The film sheds light on the world of finance, stock markets, and the consequences of pursuing wealth at any cost. Number 3. The Wolf of Wall Street, 2013. Leonardo DiCaprio portrays Jordan Belfort, a stockbroker who rises to great wealth through illegal and unethical means. While the movie is entertaining, it serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of excessive greed and the importance of conducting business with integrity. Number 4. Moneyball, 2011. Based on a true story, this sports drama follows Oakland Athletics general manager Billy Beane, played by Brad Pitt, as he uses unconventional data-driven methods to assemble a winning baseball team on a limited budget. The film emphasizes the importance of innovation and thinking outside the box in achieving success. Number 5. The Social Network, 2010. This biographical drama chronicles the rise of Facebook and the legal battles that followed its creation. Directed by David Fincher, the film offers insights into the world of tech entrepreneurship, the complexities of business partnerships, and the value of disruptive ideas. While movies can provide valuable lessons and inspiration, it's important to remember that real-world success requires hard work, dedication, and a deep understanding of the industries you are involved in. Always approach financial endeavors with a sense of responsibility and ethical considerations.